We're out here at our heavy fab facility just outside of Wauseon, Ohio, where we do not only small and medium-sized fabrications, but due to its name of heavy fabrication, we do also some of our large fabrications here. You'll see as we go through here that our capabilities of handling some of the larger fabrications include the overhead crane capacity that we have, but then also the large amount of floor space we have as far as moving the things around. We don't really have any hindrances in sheet size that we can handle. And we bring this in and it allows us to be as efficient as possible because we're not necessarily welding as many seams because we're reduced to a smaller sheet size. This allows us to produce a project for our customers that will be as price conscious as possible. Here we've got a little bit of a lengthy fabrication where the customer's asking for this to be as level as possible. It allows us to produce this with, again, the facility size, the length that we have, we can handle this, so then we're not doing it in too short of sections that could cause it to become out of level. This is going to be another example of just a large fabrication of a base. You can see here some structural steel components, beams, some channel. You can see we're fabricating some other items off to the side. A lot of welding that's involved on this, but also a very large project that's able to handle very easily. Inside here we have actually two bridge cranes, one with a 30-ton capacity and the other with a 40-ton capacity, which allows us to handle this very easily. This is just another example of some of the larger fabrications that we do. As you can see, we might use scaffolding to make sure that we can reach all the different places on these large fabrications. Over here you'll see it's using a bug-o welder to do some seam welding. It's basically a track welder that allows us to maximize our efficiency. This is another example of just a large fabrication that we would do. This here is going to be a furnace. So basically our customer came to us and provided us with the blueprints. We show the combination of items that we're able to put together. We have a rolled plate, that's the contour of the bottom shape here. You've got some structural members that were saw cut. Obviously we're still in the fabrication stage here, but again you can see the size and our capabilities of what we're able to handle. Not only do we have paint facilities at our Swanton, Ohio location, but also here at our Wauseon facility. As you can see, we have a booth here that allows us to do many of the large size projects that come through here. This would be a project that we're kind of in the middle of. We've fabricated a stairway. We've got enough floor space here that some of the projects that we're painting them, we have enough cure time area and allows us to handle multiple projects at once. Here again, just another example of some of the smaller components that sometimes go on these large fabrications. Here you got some different rail sections that are going to be removable. You also see some fenders that have been fabricated. A lot of these may be repeat items, but some of them are also just custom, and we're able to handle both.